Hello friends, in this short and basic video we will learn how to disable HDR for apps using ICC profiles in Windows 11 or 10. So guys, if you want to turn off and disable HDR for application, for example, you want to disable for particular applications, so right click on it, then click on properties. Now here guys, you have to find out compatibility, this one, so left click on it. Now in this last option you will see use legacy display ICC color management. So uncheck this box, then click on apply, then OK. So this is the way guys you can turn off and disable HDR for apps using ICC profiles in Windows 11 or 10. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.